Want to send PDF file in Facebook Messenger? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to send PDF file in Facebook Messenger. First of all, launch open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to open up any conversation where you want to send a PDF file. Now, normally, if you want to send a photo or video, you can tap on this picture icon. Then from here, select any photo or video, but PDFs will not be available over here. So if you want to share PDF, all you want to do is tap on this plus icon. Now, three options will appear. Select Files. Then a list of all the documents will be shown over here. If you want to send any PDF file, simply select that. Once you select it, as you can see, the PDF file has been successfully sent, and now you can simply tap on it to open it in this way. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.